Hey guys, Landon from Mercedes-Benz Shreveport again. Just bringing you a quick tip to show you something that is a common question on any Mercedes vehicle. Now you might own a Mercedes and have gotten in your Mercedes and the display say, place the key in the marked spot. So on most Mercedes, that's going to be in the cup holder, and that is the case for this S560, this gorgeous, beautiful black on black S560 that I'm sitting in right now. There is actually a little key marker in the cup holder, and so if you are ever presented with that question or the vehicle asking you place the key in a marked spot, that means that it's going to be close to those cup holders, and in the S-Class's case, it's going to be in the cup holder. So you just would simply place the key in there, and then the car would be able to sense it, and it is an extra layer of security for you so that nobody can steal your beloved Mercedes. Hey guys, make sure you go check out Vehicle Visionary. There's a link in the description below. He has a ton of car reviews out there, Mercedes like this, and many more different types of cars. So make sure you go show him some love, show us some love, and we'll keep bringing you great car content like we are right here. Thank you so much.